Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I like to get cracking every morning. I eat eggs every single morning, and this has now made my breakfast experience and just my egg organization so much better. Sturdy, not heavy, but solid plastic trays. The lids just sit on. They don't shift a ton, but they don't have to click in either. They are stackable, which is amazing for saving space on those weird shelves in your fridge. I absolutely love these, especially when we go to the store and buy the trays of 30 eggs. They're not helpful. Those trays are not sturdy. They are flimsy and totally allow for eggs to break on a dime. The spots for the eggs are perfect as well because you can fit in medium, large, or extra large eggs, which my family is finding that we're buying more often. I absolutely love these containers, and that's my point of view.